come and ride with me. It's Juneteenth and Father's Day 2022. I'm taking a ride in Ohio, Route 49, dropping off Father's Day cards to my dads. In this clip, you'll see me taking a ride on a beautiful sunny day. The weather was perfect. Perfect. And I'm enjoying myself. I committed to doing more solo rides this summer, more rides by myself to tighten up my skills, especially the slower speed maneuvers. Now, of course, the clips that you see, I'm on the highway, but I want to get out there a little more just to tighten up my skill, build that muscle memory. I'm enjoying it. I got my endorsements in 2018, but 2021 was the year that I began riding the most. I got my freewheeler, and me and my husband took lots of rides. We did Cleveland from Ohio, well, from Dayton, Ohio, and from Ohio down to Georgia and all around Ohio. So I really got a lot of riding in. And this year, we rode from Ohio to Tulsa, stopped first in St. Louis, and then from Tulsa, Oklahoma, all the way back to Ohio. And looking forward to more rides this year. So miles. That's what this year is all about. Hey, scanning the road, seeing what's going on, keeping your head on a swivel, paying attention. That is always emphasized by my husband, and that's what I'm always trying to do. Of course, the same thing that we've learned in those courses. So pay attention while you're on the road. You always got to be looking out for yourself and for others.